Hi, this is Judy in the embroidery department at Kaizink, and today I am in Wilcom Embroidery Studio 4.5. I'm going to show you how to do a knockdown stitch. Now, this is something that you would want if you're embroidering on beanies or on towels or anything with a nap. You can ask your digitizer to go ahead and do this for you, but if you have a design and all you need is to add a knockdown to it, you can do it yourself, and I'm going to show you how. So this logo, we're going to be sewing this on a towel. So I'm just going to select all, and I'm going to go to this simple offset tool over on the left. It looks like a target. So when we click that, we get options here. And so spacing of 0.120 is a good distance away, I think, for what I'm doing here. And I'm just going to start out with a run stitch. So it'll just be an outline around my logo here. When I click OK, you see I get this outline. So if I click on the outline and I go up to the top of my screen, there's tatami, square, and then double square. This one up here, double square. I'm going to click on that. And I have options over here on the right side of my screen for the length, the spacing, the angle, and you'll see how that changes when you change these numbers. So choose that depending on how tight you want it, and that will depend on the garment that you're sewing on. So this looks fine to me. And then the next thing that you want to do is over here in your color objects list, you want to move that to be the first thing in the sequence. So move it to the start. And then it will sew this first. My garment is black, so I have that as black, which I can change on the machine. And then it'll sew the logo on top of it, and it won't sink into the fabric. The fabric won't puff up around your embroidery. It'll be nice and flat. So that's the object of using the outline and knockdown. Thanks for watching.